Hello friends, welcome back to the Question Vlogger channel, and I hope you are all safe at your homes during this lockdown. So without wasting much of a time, we'll go for what we are cooking up today. So for today's video I have our very special prawns pulao. So without wasting much of a time, I'll show you all the ingredients used for this recipe. So stay with me. So in case of the ingredients, we have whole garam masala, so you can see all the spices here. Apart from that, sliced onions, then ginger garlic paste is there, green chilies, then this is garam masala, then chicken masala powder, then we have sliced tomatoes also. Apart from that, we have marinated prawns. So this marination consists of your turmeric powder, chili powder, and salt. Then we have rice, then coriander leaves, then ghee, and then cooking oil. Then we have water 1:2 ratio, and this is soaked rice actually. Then obviously the salt. So starting off with cooking oil, then ghee, then masala,
Spices.
that is whole garam masala or spices. So this whole garam masala gives us the required flavor, essence, aroma. Then comes the sliced onions. Stir it for around 2 minutes until it becomes translucent in color. So the onions have become translucent now. Now we are adding ginger garlic paste. This ginger garlic paste is homemade actually. You can try with some packaged one. Continue frying this until the raw smell goes off from the ginger garlic paste. Then we are adding garam masala powder. This is not the whole one. So this again makes the recipe more and more aromatic and tasty. Then we are adding chicken masala. So this is for taste actually. We usually add this chicken masala even for our veg items. The thing is, like veg items there are not of a much variety, whereas in your non-veg there is a very long list of varieties, especially in case of chicken items. Then we are adding sliced tomatoes. Then we are adding in the marinated prawns, as you can see here. Now we'll fry it. So we are halfway for completing the prawns pulao. Stir properly. Next we'll add the green chilies. We can add more green chilies if you want to make it more spicier. Since we have already marinated the prawns with chili powder, adding more chili is little bit difficult for us. We don't eat so much of spicy food. Next comes in is the jeera rice, which we'll add to this now and then fry for a little while. So the thing is, since my mother is a very good cook, she is advising people that we should try using jeera rice because it gives more of a flavor, taste for your non-veg items compared to your basmati rice. So in other words, you can say as doodh malai rice. You can see these are smaller and shorter compared to your basmati ones, but they still come more tastier actually. Even a very good aroma is coming out right now because of this rice. So we stir it equally before adding water and salt. Next is salt according to taste. Continue frying and stirring it. Frying in case for the prawns and stirring for the rice to equally mix. Even the masala. So this is 1:2 ratio water being added. That is 1 glass of rice and 2 glasses of water. Then add in the coriander leaves. So now we'll close the lid of the cooker since we are preparing in the cooker. So we are not using the weight which is usually used for the cooker, you can see. So this helps us to keep removing the cooker lid and checking how it is cooking up. And apart from that, try keeping it for around 15 minutes in low flame or sim in other words. So we are closing the, so we'll close the lid.
15 minutes later.
It has become something like this now. Now the prawns pulao is completely ready. So friends, our very special prawns pulao is ready. Along with that, I am showing you a raita recipe where we have put tomato, onion, chili and curd and a bit of salt. So this is the best combo you can get. And apart from this, I would like to request you also that you try doing this at home. It is really very healthy and good for you. And apart from that, apart from this lockdown, we won't get time to do such recipes also. Friends, you might have seen in how the recipe is done, and the aroma is so good that even my dogs outside are barking for the a try. So leaving all this, lastly, I would before concluding this video, I would like to request all my subscribers and viewers to try this out at home. And the people who have not subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe, like, share, and comment so that I can grow. So that I can grow up with more and more videos in the upcoming future. So thank you, friends. Thank you for watching.